In the next step, which is Pihole, we are going to install this service. So first of all, we need to create your project directory in config files, in the config file subvolume. Let's do that. And we are going to navigate to this project directory, and we are going to download this one. This is a configuration file. Let's check this out. We have the compose file, and now we are going to run this command. Adjust your env file that okay, we need to download two files, the configuration file, so we should have two. Oh, the other one is list all, so we have the env. So now we're going to configure the env configuration file. So let's try to do that, and then we have to make sure everything is okay. So let's see. We go with sudo nano env. We're going to edit this one. So your project, you have to leave it like this. Doesn't matter, it is not much of a problem, this name, but just adjust your time zone. Mine is America and my city, but you can choose yours, and you can edit this password. I will keep it like that, but you can edit. If you want to edit your Pihole password, then choose one. Okay, and now we are going to deploy our, you can check this, what we are going to deploy. We're going to deploy Pihole. So the container name is going to be Pihole. This is the image we are going to use in the latest, and we are going to use this network we created, and we are going to assign the number 2 of our IP is gonna be number 2. The time zone that is in the env file, the environmental variable file, and so it is going to be used for our web interface configuration access credentials, and we are going to use a subvolume and restart unless stopped. We are going to use our Docker network we just created for that purpose. So let's deploy this one. It is going to pull the image in case you don't have it, and it's going to create your service. So let's see, sudo docker ps, and now I have my Pihole service. So telnet: to access your Pihole web interface and manage your Pihole instance, first set up your telnet, then return for part 2 of the Pihole guide. So let's do this part again. Let's do this part now, and then we come back to finish this tutorial.